मु श्री मोहन चरण माझी ईश्वरंक नाम रे शपथ करुअछि जे मु विधि द्वारा प्रतिष्ठित भारतर संविधान प्रति श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखिबी, भारतर सार्वभौमत्व और अखंडता रक्षा करिबी, ओडिशा राज्यर मुख्यमंत्री रूपे मोर कर्तव्य श्रद्धा और शुद्ध अंतरकरण रे निर्वाह करिबी एवं बिना भय बा पक्षपात रे, बिना अनुराग बा देश रे सबु प्रकार लोकंक प्रति संविधान और विधि अनुसार न्याय प्रदान करिबी। मु श्री मोहन चरण माझी ईश्वरंक नाम रे शपथ करुअछि जे जो विषय राज्यर मुख्यमंत्री रूपे मोर विचार को अणाजिब बा मते ज्ञात हब ताहाकू एपरी मुख्यमंत्री रूपे मोर कर्तव्यर समुचित निर्वाह निमित्त जेपरी आवश्यक हब तत् भिन्न प्रत्यक्ष बा परोक्ष भावे कौनसी व्यक्ति बा व्यक्ति मानंकु जणाइबी नाही बा प्रकट करिबी नाही। धन्यवाद।
All right, Saurabh there with us. Saurabh, so now the first BJP Chief Minister of Odisha, we just saw Mohan Charan माझी taking oath, the four-time MLA, and this time chosen as the Chief Minister. Also, two Deputy Chief Ministers will be taking oath shortly, and it's been a balancing act for the BJP there.
Absolutely, you know, the two others who are going to take oath after him are also interesting, and in fact, Kanak Vardhan Singh Deo is someone, is of course taking oath now. KV Singh Deo is taking oath. He's of course the Deputy Chief Minister, he's a six-term MLA, he's a royal, and also he's of course someone who's been a minister earlier when the BJP and the BJD were in alliance many years ago. It seems actually like a long time, but it wasn't really that long ago. But now of course, this time around the BJP is forming government on its own, and therefore Mr. Kanak Vardhan Singh Deo, whom many also believe could have been one of the contenders for the Chief Minister, is now Deputy Chief Minister. Along with him, Prabhati Parida, a woman from the coastal area, first time MLA, Nimapada MLA, also becoming Deputy Chief Minister. So the Deputy Chief Ministers are now taking oath, and like you said, it's a very interesting balancing act. On one side you have experience, on one side you have a woman face, you have the coastal region getting representation, you have the tribal communities getting representation in the Chief Minister's position. And what's very interesting to note, if you note the political reasoning behind it, look at the message that the BJP is trying to send through Odisha. First, of course, President Draupadi Murmu, a tribal lady, elevated, elected to the highest constitutional post in this country, the President of India. Then, of course, even within Odisha, and of course she's from Odisha, but now, and from the Mayurbhanj district, and now of course you have Mohan माझी, who's again from the tribal community, from Keonjhar, he's the MLA from Keonjhar, and of course he's been given the Chief Minister's post. But that's not to say that the other communities haven't been represented. In fact, you have Mr. KV Singh Deo and also, Prabhati Parida, who are taking oath. So it is a very tightrope walk and a balancing act for the BJP, because this is their first time that they're forming a government. And in all of this, they're also looking into aspects of political reality, because that's something that they will have to address. And if they want it to be a long-lasting one, remember the last person who was in office as the Chief Minister continued for 24 years. And that's a pretty strong template that Naveen Patnaik has set in terms of putting Odisha on the global sports map, you know, development and all of that. But again, there were complaints that the BJP had. They had raised it in the assembly. They went to the people with those issues. And Naveen Patnaik is also on stage. So it's a very, you know, it's a mix of a bittersweet moment. And that is something that, of course, we will see in the politics that will come. Because remember, Mohan Maji is taken oath. He's now the Chief Minister of Odisha. But before this, he's also met, you know, Naveen Patnaik earlier in the day at Naveen Patnaik's residence. And therefore, this is going to be an interesting election. It's going to be an interesting time for Odisha. And all eyes on how the BJP government functions here.